Best remote control planes. Are you looking for the best remote control planes? In this video we will look at 5 of the on the market best remote control planes before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Devsolution P-51D Mustang RC Airplane. The P-51D RC airplane is a 4-channel, 2.4 GHz remote control warbird modeled after the iconic World War II Mustang fighter. Designed with beginners in mind, this ready-to-fly, RTF, aircraft features pilot stabilization system, which offers enhanced flight control and stability. This technology makes takeoffs, turns, and landings smoother and safer, even for those with no prior flying experience. Equipped with one-key aerobatic functionality, the plane can perform stunts such as loops with just a single press of a button, offering excitement without complex controls. The one-key U-turn function also allows the plane to safely return in the opposite direction, helping new pilots maintain orientation and control. The aircraft is built from durable EPP foam, which is lightweight yet impact-resistant, allowing it to absorb minor crashes during training sessions. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, giving users extended flight time and reducing downtime between flights. Thanks to the 2.4 GHz radio system, the P-51D supports stable signal transmission and allows for multiple aircraft to fly together without interference, making it ideal for group flying sessions or club events. Its scale appearance pays homage to the original P-51D Mustang, giving it a realistic and attractive look in the air. Overall, this RC warplane is a great entry point for beginners who want to enjoy the thrill of flying a historically inspired aircraft with advanced flight assist features. It delivers an excellent blend of realism, functionality, and user-friendly design perfect for novice pilots. Number 2. Syma Remote Control Helicopter with Camera. The Syma helicopter drone with camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly flying toy designed for both kids and adults. It features a built-in 1080p HD FPV camera, allowing users to capture clear aerial photos and real-time video through a connected smartphone. The first-person view, FPV, capability provides a more immersive flying experience by streaming live footage directly from the drone to your device. This drone comes with altitude hold, which enables stable hovering at a fixed height, making it easier to control and perfect for beginners. The headless mode simplifies navigation by aligning the drone's movements to the controller's direction regardless of which way the drone is facing. It also includes 3D flip functionality for fun aerial stunts with a single button press. One standout feature is the flight route mode, which allows users to draw a custom flight path on their smartphone screen. The drone then follows the path automatically, adding a layer of interactive control. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, effectively doubling the flight time and allowing for longer play sessions. Equipped with a reliable 2.4 GHz remote control, the drone offers stable signal transmission and supports multi-drone operation without interference. With durable construction and user-friendly controls, it's ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Overall, the Syma helicopter drone combines exciting features like an HD camera, easy controls, and stunt capabilities, making it a great option for beginners and casual flyers looking for a fun, accessible drone experience. Number 3. Volantexrc Phoenix SRC Airplane. The Volantexrc Phoenix S brushless RC airplane is a high-performance remote control glider designed for adult hobbyists and advanced pilots. With a generous 1.6-meter wingspan, this glider offers excellent stability, lift, and aerodynamic efficiency, making it ideal for slope soaring and powered gliding. This model features a durable plastic fuselage that provides strength and crash resistance, while the EPO foam wings keep the plane lightweight for smooth gliding performance. Its brushless power system delivers efficient and powerful thrust, allowing for sustained flight and gentle climbs, which are essential for glider operations. The Phoenix S is a PNP, plug-and-play, version, meaning it comes pre-assembled with motor, ESC, and servos installed. Users only need to add their own transmitter, receiver, and battery to complete the setup. The 2.4 GHz radio compatibility ensures strong and interference-free control, even when flying in groups. Designed for experienced pilots, the Phoenix S offers agile handling and smooth control response. Its wide wingspan improves lift and glide time, allowing users to take advantage of thermals and updrafts for extended, fuel-free flights. It's well suited for outdoor flying in open fields or hillsides. In summary, the Volantexrc Phoenix S is a capable and rugged glider for advanced RC pilots seeking a blend of soaring performance and power-assisted flight. With its brushless setup, robust fuselage, and large wingspan, it delivers an exciting and reliable experience for gliding enthusiasts. Number 4. E-flite UMX Turbo Timber RC Plane. The E-flite UMX Turbo Timber BNF Basic, EFLU 6950, is a high-performance ultra-micro RC airplane designed for intermediate to advanced pilots who want STOL, short takeoff and landing, capabilities in a compact, park-friendly size. With a 700 mm wingspan, this aircraft is equipped with versatile features that make it suitable for flying in tight spaces, including backyards, parks, and small fields. The Turbo Timber UMX is constructed with lightweight yet durable foam, allowing for agile performance and easy handling. It comes pre-installed with AS3X and Safe Select technology, providing flight stabilization for smoother control, especially useful in windy conditions. Pilots can activate Safe Select for automatic leveling and limited bank angles or turn it off for full manual control. This model features a powerful brushless motor and 3-blade propeller, offering excellent thrust and allowing for sporty aerobatics, hovering, and quick takeoffs and landings. The aircraft also includes functional LED navigation lights, landing lights, and strobes, adding realism and visibility during low-light flying. The UMX Turbo Timber comes in BNF, bind and fly, basic format, meaning it does not include a transmitter, battery, or charger. Pilots must use a compatible Spectrum DSMX/DSM2 transmitter and a 2S LiPo battery to operate it. Its oversized Tundra-style tires and optional floats, sold separately, make it adaptable to multiple terrains, including grass, gravel, and water. Compact, capable, and full of features, the UMX Turbo Timber is a go-to option for RC enthusiasts seeking a high-performance mini bushplane with advanced flight tech. Number 5. E-flite Habu STS SmartJet. The E-flite Habu STS 70mm EDF SmartJet, EFL01500, is a ready-to-fly, RTF, RC jet designed for beginner to intermediate pilots seeking an easy and thrilling entry into the world of electric duct fan, EDF, jets. This model comes fully equipped, including a transmitter, receiver, smart LiPo battery, and charger, making it a complete out-of-the-box solution. Built around the proven Habu airframe, the STS Smart Trainer with Safe version integrates Spectrum's Safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, which offers multiple flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and experienced, to assist new pilots with stability, self-leveling, and panic recovery features. The aircraft is made from lightweight yet durable EPO foam, offering excellent performance and resilience in case of rough landings. A 70mm 10-blade EDF power system driven by a brushless motor and 3S/4S smart battery delivers smooth and powerful thrust, giving the Habu STS impressive speed and jet-like handling, while remaining controllable. The tricycle landing gear with a steerable nose will help with easy ground handling in takeoffs/landings. Included smart technology offers telemetry data like battery voltage and flight time directly to compatible Spectrum transmitters, enhancing flight safety and experience. The included Spectrum DXS transmitter is user-friendly and bound to the receiver, making setup straightforward. Overall, the Habu STS 70mm EDF RTF is a smart, feature-rich, and forgiving jet ideal for aspiring EDF pilots. Its combination of power, durability, advanced electronics, and beginner-friendly features makes it one of the best training jets on the market.